Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to restore your headlights. I'm using Meguiar's headlight restoration kit I bought from Amazon. The link is mentioned in description. The first step is to mask the area around your headlight with masking tape or painter's tape, whichever you find. You have to be careful while masking, never to leave any area around your headlight because the sanding work is involved in this procedure and you need to be careful for your paints. Take your time while doing this masking work, especially on these corners where you may miss, and if you sand not carefully, and then it will just ruin your paint around these edges. So here is my finished product for masking, and now the next step is involve the sanding with some grit sandpapers that come with this headlight restoration kit. So take your soapy water, wet your headlight. This comes with plastics rubbing compound and these sandpapers, grit sandpapers marked with number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The procedure is also written on the box. You need to start with the number 1 pad and going to number 2, 3 and 4. Make your sand pad with soapy water, make it wet, and also your headlight, and start sanding with back and forth motions. No circular motions because that will leave some scratches on that, and on the first step you will start seeing your headlight a unified hazy, and all the yellow color has gone. If you see in this video, took my microfiber towel to clean, and it looks good. This is very normal if you see this. And now next step is to sand with number 2. Same thing, you need to wet your headlight and your sanding pad and start doing with back and forth motion. Whenever you feel your rubbing pad is getting dry or your headlight is dry, just make sure to lubricate with your soapy water, and you will see this milky water. The haze is pretty much gone on this second step, and the next step is number 3 pad. Same back and forth motion. Do not apply too much pressure, just with your hand normal pressure, and you're good. And the next step is pad number 4. The pad number 3 and number 4 are on opposite sides. Pad number 3 remove that scratches of pad number 2 and 1, and pad number 4 is really fine grit sandpaper, so it will remove all the scratches from number 3, number 2 and number 1. And you can see the headlight is coming back to life. I'm cleaning with my microfiber towel, and just to make sure it is dry for the next step of plastic compound comes with the kit. So take your polishing pad, just few drops of rubbing compound. Here you need to apply some pressure to the foam pad or the polishing pad. I'm using microfiber this pad, which is from Goodyear. Oh yeah, it's coming back to life. Wow. Good. So I'm done with the polishing. Here you can see the other headlight. It's yellow and not reflecting the light good. On this side it is clear. You can see the bulb, but on this side it's all yellow, hazy. Thank you for watching.